In this video, I'll show you how to book the complaint and how to assign the complaint and how to resolve the complaint. I'll log in to the software, the tab of complaint, where you can see different features like complaint booking using QR code, allocated calls to me, pending calls, closed call, visit which are pending, visit which are closed, and expense entry against the call. I show you first stage complaint booking. We are having four options in that. I explain one by one. First is complaint against AMC. If you have taken the service contract of 1 year or 2 year for the customer, whenever customer complain which are under AMC, you can use this tab to add the complaint which are against AMC. Next tab is complaint walking. This is used when customer is not under your service contract. It is also called chargeable call, where people create one-time call and create the charge, and when the call is complete, they collect the charges. Third thing is remote support, which is against AMC. Nowadays, so many companies are getting closed remotely. That is, you no need to send technician physically on the field to close the complaint. This feature is developed in such cases where your team has support the customer via remote or via without going physically to the field. Fourth option is remote support walk-in. As explained earlier, if the customer is not in your service and if you give the support remotely without going there physically, you can do entry here. I'll show you the first case, complaint against AMC. This is the page where you can book the complaint which you have received for the customer who are in your AMC. I see the customer here, HDFC Bank, Vashi branch. I put the complaint date. I take example of 7th of January. Complaint time will come automatically. Next is which product. Since you have sold in three products, Dell server, HP desktop and Samsung printer, you select against which product the customer has given complaint. I select HP desktop. If you have multiple HP desktops sold at customer place, you will get the list of all the product serial of HP desktop in this list. Select the required serial number of the product. Since we only sold one product, we only get one list in the one serial in the list. I select that thing. It will display the AMC date, search for information. It's showing that is under the service. Select the call type. So this is the call type which you define in master, which will display here. Select the call type. I will select in call type as a warranty calls. Software will create the call number based on the date and the serial number. This you can change if you want to maintain a different call number. I'll leave it same. On call amount. It happens that sometimes even if the call is under AMC, you need to charge them for some services which are not covered under AMC. You can put amount here. Support team which are going to solve this issue. Since we are different, the support team will come from the master. You select which team is going to solve the issue. I selected local support. Now select the complaint which customer is given you. This is from the master of complaint which you have defined. You can see entire list here. I select the one complaint, that is data transfer. Select the note, complaint note, which This is to be done from one PC from one PC to laptop. This is the complaint description. Select the priority, it is low priority or high priority. Depending upon the complaint and the product, you can select this high priority or low priority. Default name will come OS, which is defined in the customer master. You can still change the name here. Cell number will come where which you define in the master. You can still change here, and the email ID where complaint booking email will send by the software. Software will also send the WhatsApp message of complaint booking to this cell number. If you assign the engineer same time, you can select here call assigned to which engineer, what is appointment date and time. I don't assign now, so I leave it this in blank. I save the complaint. Software will save the complaint, and that will you can see here call in the pending call tab. These are all pending call which are there as on today. You can see list of all the pending call. You can download list from here. Tab option is given here. You can see our call which you have just created. This is the date of the call. This is the call time, a call number, a customer name, product for which he has done a complaint, product serial number, complaint, and since it is not attend, it is showing 0 as attend hour. Now I will assign this complaint to one of my technician. So I select assign tab, and I can assign the complaint. I can also give the appointment date and time where he has to visit the customer. If and some allocate note that take, I can just make allocate note for the technician. Take the window driver CD. If you are allocated to more than one engineer, you can select additional engineer here or leave it blank. I save this. Moment you save this assign, software will send the WhatsApp message to customer that Manisha Bhave technician is assigned again a complaint, and it will also send the WhatsApp message to Manisha Bhave with the customer and call history and the appointment date and time. When Manisha Bhave open her app, she can see the call allocated to her and she can take the action accordingly. We assume while giving demo that she don't have a mobile. She visit the customer place physically, do the work and report to coordinator, back to coordinator on the office. So if the coordinator want to do entry manually, he can click on this visit, and he can put when he has gone, what time she has gone. Again, the option given, you can still change the complaint here. This is very practical when the complaint book by the coordinator, when the client engineer visit to the client place, it is not the same call. So software is given the option to you to change the complaint type in case this is the issue. I don't change here. I put here date, what time we visit. I put here 11 Saturday. What time let's say from 4 p.m. to 5. I put 5:30 or 5:40. Is visitor field? It is field visit. What actions he has taken the backup, and transfer to laptop. Laptop was not ready, so couldn't, so cannot transfer the backup. It seems that she has taken the backup, but as laptop was not there, she cannot transfer the backup. So this complaint is not closed. So they can select here complaint is pending. Software will ask the reason in case if more than one engineer technician has gone there to solve. You can do additional technical here. I can just say one more technician Kishore Bhansali was there with the Manisha on this call. So I can enter here. In case Manisha want to attach some file, some picture from the mobile, they can attach here. Option given. You click on this and they can attach the file here. And also she can click the camera and capture the any file from the camera. I keep this call pending. A pending reason will come here, which we define in master. You just say user not available. Next action, take new appointment from the user. Now I save the call. This is the complete entry of visit, and now you can see here in this call which you have made, you can see here attend time is 45 hours. This is the remark of the technician, and now call is still pending. You can see the call is still pending. Now I will close one call. I take this call as example. I click on the visit and was instruction was a call. I'll put date of 10th of January. I'll put time as from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Field visit. Action taken by technician. Installation done. Done, and so this action taken by technician. The work is complete. You can just select close. You can attach the call slip, which using the click the call slip from the mobile, and you can attach here. Additional person is gone with this. You can add here additional person and confirm by the username who has confirmed the call is closed. Mr. Kamlesh. As soon as you save this call, software will send the notification to user, customer by way of WhatsApp and email. It will also send the link to give the Google review with the attachment. Now you can see this call is closed, so it is not visible here. If you want to see, you just go tab called close call. Here you can see the call, this call which they have. You can see all the call which are closed. There is a list of call which are closed. This is our call which we have closed. It show attend hour and turnover time. You want to see, you can see the view, the entire call by clicking on this view. You can see the call, actual call detail. You can see the visits. You can see all the visits. Who has gone there, what action is taken, and what is the GPS location at the time of closing the call, and what was the customer address. This is remark, and this is file attached. Since there was no attachment, it is going blank here. This way you can see the call close. I go to pending call tab to show you more feature. Here we are given option of filters, where you can filter the calls on different criteria. Filter the city wise, you can filter the call customer wise, you can filter the call product wise. Example, I put here MF copier 4725. I want to hear the call, and I say reset 1 ms laser. There is a copy here 4725. Now I say search. So I can see the call for this product. This way I can filter the all the pending call complaint wise. I can select the complaint data transfer. And I can select here, search here. I can see all the complaint were of this particular criteria. This is the way you can filter all the complaint. If you want to see how many calls attend, you can see here not attend call. Now click on this, you can see the call which are not attended by anybody, still pending. This filter is very useful to bifurcate the complaint in different criteria and search the complaint. You can also have option of download the list from here. If you want to print the service call slip, click on this service call slip tab and software will print the service call standard service call slip, where you can see this slip customer can fill. This is all about pending call. Same apply to close call. This close call. These are all close call from the day one, sorting in date wise. So you can see here all the calls, visit date, call number, visit time, customer, complaint, call type, product, call note and action taken, who closed the call. Here also we are given the filter where you can filter the call based on different criteria. I want to see how many warranty calls are closed. I select this, I go for search, I can see warranty calls which are closed. This will give you all the option to filter. I want to see how many calls are closed by Kunal. So I select the employee Kunal and go for search, and I can see the call closed by Kunal. These are the different filter. You can also download the list from this. Now our next stage is visit list. If I want to see how many visits are done and which are pending, you can see all the visits which are done and which was pending. List of all the visits. You can also apply the filter for more information. I'll see the list. Next is visit list close. Here you can see all the visits which are closed successfully by the technician. This is the list of all the visits from day one which are closed by the technician. You can use the filter to filter the different based on different criteria. This is all about complaint. If I now show you the screen of complaint walk-in, the screen is same. The only change is in this screen that you can select any customer. You can select, I'll see the date, so 11 Saturday. Here you can select any product which are there defined by you. MacBook, Apple. CL is optional. Select, put here chargeable calls. Call number will come. This call number will have W as the prefix, is the last character to understand that this is the walk-in call. Put the call amount and the rest screen is same. Select the complaint, select the note, select the priority, high or low, call by person name, cell number, optional, email ID, and save the call. You can see this call will come in the pending call list, and you can see here pending call. W stand, you can see W in the call, stand for walk-in call. Next, I explain to you remote support against AMC. This is screen, a page to write add the call which are against AMC but remote support. So I'll take one example. Is this Dombeyli? I take date. I take time, call time, let us say 2 p.m. Select which product. Select the serial number, then service. Not required call type. You can see here The software call, complaint, just a internet issue, complaint of the customer, internet not working, it is low priority or high priority, call by the customer name, cell number, and when he resolve. Date is today, default date will visit date will come here. The same date is going to come, same date of call date. What time he resolve? 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. What action is taken? Reinstall or configure the modem remotely. Now working fine. Visit by, I put my name here. Daftari client confirmed by Inder, and you can save this. This is for the call remotely solved by the technician. Second is remote support walking. The same screen is same. Difference is only here it gives you option to select the any product. This is all about complaint. I show you last feature expense entry. When the engineer or technician go in the field, they incur some expense of traveling, hotel, dinner, lunch. They can add the vouch, add this bill here, and you claim later on. So I just say add new employee Nikhil Daftari account default because I log in with my this thing. I select the expense. I say taxi fare. I put the expense 89 rupees from CST to Marine Drive and attach the attachment of the bill if there is any. I can save. In this way, my expense get recorded in the software and I can claim the voucher month end. This is all about complaint working, visit entry, filtering of the complaint, close call, and expense entry. Thank you.